Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 2515 at the Gardens Kuala Lumpur. That is the doorbell and this is the room key. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. That is the back of the door with the floor plan. Right here we have a slot to insert the key card for the room's power, couple of light switches, makeup room switch as well as the do not disturb switch. Right here, which is a mirror. It's actually the wardrobe behind it. Couple of drawers, some storage above, more storage below, bedroom slippers, bathrobes, ironing board, iron, hangers, and I believe that is a torchlight. And right above, an extra pillow. Right here we have a bit of storage, and below here we have the fridge, and right here in-room safe, pantry area down below with the glasses, mugs, coffee, tea and all that stuff, and right at the bottom is the kettle. Hello. Place to put your luggage, storage, more storage beneath the bedside table. And on the bedside table you have the in-room telephone, light switches, a plug, lights on either sides, and the bed itself does look quite nice. Also, forgot to show you the view as you enter the room. And that is what you get to see when you enter the room. Okay, so further inside, you have another bedside table right there with more storage below, a plug, more light switches, another place to put your luggage, an armchair with a footrest, desk area with drawers, storage, another in-room telephone, light, and a flat screen sharp TV. Right here we have the bathroom, and off to the left we have the climate control panel together with a light switch. Moving inside the bathroom, we have storage down below, the sink, another mirror, all the amenities, more storage, the shower area with a dual shower and bathtub combination. Right here we have the toilet, and here we have the makeup table with a stool and another mirror. Hello again. Okay, finally the view. Don't get to see it that well since it's night. I'll show you a better clip in the morning, but you do get to see the development opposite the hotel, a mosque, apartment buildings, not a bad view. Okay, so this is the view out of my window the next morning. It is actually quite a nice view. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 2515 at the Gardens Kuala Lumpur. Thanks for watching and goodbye.